When people think of autism, dolphins usually aren't the first course of treatment that comes to mind. And medication isn't the most desirable course of treatment either, especially for those patients of suffering children. Today, there are many clinics around the world treating autism with dolphin-assisted therapy. Autism is a disorder that can make communication and human connection quite difficult. The key to reaching a child lost in their own world is to develop a trusting relationship. To develop a trusting relationship, the child must be placed in a happy, peaceful, calming, and healing environment. And dolphins have all of these qualities. The way in which dolphins interact with humans is remarkable. In dolphin-assisted therapy, children are placed in a non-threatening, playful learning environment that encourages them to communicate. If the child wants a kiss, he has to ask for it. If the child wants the dolphin to jump, he has to lift his arm. According to Make Wormer, it motivates the child to be more open-minded and more expressive when it comes to talking to people. For some children, this allows them to say their first words or maybe even hug their parents for the first time. Studies conducted by Dr. David Nathanson show a decrease in anxiety, irritability, and depression in children suffering from many illnesses, but particularly autism. Dr. Lukina, the first woman to receive her doctorate in the field of study of dolphin-assisted therapy, states that it is not a cure, but rather a way to further manage a patient's symptoms and overcome their challenges. Dolphin-assisted therapy exerts a considerable healing effect on autistic children. Dolphins have been shown to help people meaningfully interact with their environment, which serves as a base for improved control of education and upbringings. Most reports show significant improvement of symptoms. Perhaps being around strongly empathetic dolphins help balance autistic patterns. Autistic people are systemizing, and dolphins show great empathy and care, especially with children. To use dolphins as a means of connecting with a child on a deeper level than humans could be an extraordinarily useful tool for patients and their caretakers. If you have a loved one suffering from autism, I strongly suggest you bring to their attention this fairly new, joyful, playful way to the next step.